So, does anyone want a face mask? Pigeon? Pigeon? Bye, pigeon. Yum. Retired.
It's literally inside the building. Select button for my first car. You hear it?
Yeah.
You are so cute. Why are you so cute?
Sniffing. Trying to sniff your finger through the glass.
So cute.
Fluffy chunky. Chocolate fluff.
I just want that all his way.
Yeah, but I actually said it 15 times.
Okay, good for you.
Hours. Diet Coke.
What?
What? Diet Coke.
No, no straws.
Okay.
Did you see the sign? Straws available upon request.
What did it say?
The sign says straws available upon request. Hey, 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 dingus, hey, hey, dingus. Let go. Oh shit. Now, why do I smell McDonald's?
Because I farted.
French fry. Quarter pounder. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I would have gotten a little bit more footage at the Humane Society, which is where we went, and I got the footage of the cat. Would have gotten more footage, but I didn't realize that we needed to set up a time with the Humane Society, and that was only so we could adopt. That wasn't so we could go check out the kitties. So would you rather always have to write with your non-dominant hand, or always have to write with your eyes closed? If you made it this far, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell notification. I would really appreciate guys answering the question. I'm tired. Anyway. Yeah. Also, I would appreciate if you check out my social media in the video description. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, I did also forget. We went to down in the valley today. That's where I got the I cannot talk. Down in the valley is where I got the Switchblade comb. Of course, I couldn't film in Down in the Valley because one of the rules of Down in the Valley is no cameras inside the store. So for those of you who don't know, Down in the Valley is a store that it was started in Golden Valley that sells CDs. They sell t-shirts, sweaters, hats. They sell, stuff like Switchblade combs. They sell stuff like little hands you put on your fingertips, stuff like that. They sell bongs. They sell incense. So yeah.